and welcome back to another finger painting video. Today we're going to be painting a whale. These are the colors that you'll be needing: gray, white, blue, navy blue or dark blue, black, some paper, a pencil, and your fingers. Okay, so in order to make a whale, we are going to start off thinking about our whale and how it's going to be. It's going to have a round top. So I'm going to kind of make the top of a ball, like so. Boop, boop, boop. All right, and then you have the little bit of a tail, and you have the little bits at the end of the tail. So I'm going to make this like a triangle, and we're going to do another line over here that I can make a little fatter, and that is going to be our tail. The fins, that's what I was trying to think of. I was like, what is the word for that? That is the whale's fins. So I'm going in with our dark paint because this is going to make it so much easier, and it's going to give us a fun outline in order to do the rest of our little whale. I'm also going to do a little bit of water at the top. So I'm just going to throw a little squiggly line up there and then just drag it in, and that is going to be the shadow for our water. I always like to plan in the shadows first and then add as I go the light color. We're going to go into the bottom of our whale, and I'm using a gray paint to create the bottom of this whale. We're just going to make it round and kind of match up with the top. So right there, that is going to be the bottom of our whale, and I'm going to go in with our white and throw in some highlights. I'm just going to go in and do like little bits like that, just little lines. It's going to give a fun texture to the bottom of our whale, like so. All right, now I'm going to go in with our light blue, our regular blue, and I'm just going to color in all of this space between. Just color right over the navy blue a little bit and color right all the way down to our gray. So like so. Just gonna outline where the gray stops. Just draw a line with my finger, whoop, like so, and then I'm just gonna color in the stuff above. Okay, and I'm gonna carry it on to the tail, because why not? Okay, and do a little whoop. That's where our tail is going to be. Now I have to think about the whale's mouth. I'm going to go in with our dark navy, and I'm just going to throw a little bit of a line right there. Okay, so that's nice and outlined and it pops well. I'm also going to make the whale flipper, the front flipper. So in order to do that, I'm going to start up here and I'm going to draw a line down. Curved line, okay, and then I'm going to draw a loop, okay, and then I'm going to take this down, like so, and I'm just going to touch into my light blue, and I'm just going to color a little bit in that, color that in just a little bit. I like the look of the unblendy paint though, so I'm going to make sure that I leave a lot of that. I'm going to go into our light blue and I'm going to do the water spout. So going right underneath this blue, this navy here, I'm going to just carry a little bit of this light blue up into there. Okay, and I'm going to do a little bit here at the top. We're just going to do kind of like a firework or a palm tree. Just do a little spray, like so. And I'm going to go in with the white. This is the great thing about white. We can just add and really just make it pop. I'm going to throw a couple little spots, and I'm just going to carry whoop, whoop, like so. Like so. That's going to just add a little fun texture element. All right, and I'm going to start here and carry up. Go in with our blue. Let's do a little bit of navy because I want to make sure that I can see the difference. Okay, I wanted to make sure that I kept that shadow in there and didn't get rid of it. All right, so taking my white, I'm going to mix it with a little bit of this light blue, and I'm just going to throw a little bit of a highlight on the top of the whale, right here. Okay, maybe I'll throw a little bit right here as well. You don't have to go through all this trouble and do all of this, but I like it. I think that it adds just a nice little extra, maybe a little bit at the top of his flipper like that. Okay, and now we're at the point where we do the eye. So eyes are very easy. What we're gonna do is take a circle of black onto our finger, and we're gonna just plop it right down where we want the eye to be, like so. Make sure the paint's not too thick, and then I'm gonna go in with my pencil here, and I'm gonna pick up some of this white, and I'm just gonna plop it in. And it's going to create just a super fun, cute eye. Okay, sometimes you want to make your eye extra shiny. If you want to do that, make sure that you wipe off any paint and go back in, do a couple little dots. And that's going to make it super duper shiny, super duper happy. And I'm going to go back in, just touch this up just a little bit. And I have a whale. Ta-da! There you have it. There is our whale. What does your whale look like? I cannot wait to see it. Thank you so much for hanging out with me and painting with me today. I think it was a lot of fun. I hope that you had a fun time too. Until next time, sending you lots of love.